Hello friends, myself Abhishek from Fun with Tech, and today I'm going to say you something recently launched by the Google, which is named as Google Duo, which is a video calling app, and I'm going to share the view of my opinion about this app. So let's get started. As mentioned in the tagline of the Google Duo, it is one-to-one video calling app, and it is also designed to be very simple. And if you compare with the other video calling app like Facebook's own Messenger and Skype and other many more are there, so then you yourself will find the difference between the two apps. So let's get into the review of the app. At first, check the description box. There you will get one link and open the link with your browser, and that will direct you to the Play Store. After that, you will get an install button and tap the install button and install this app. As I've already installed it, so I'm opening the app. And this is the first impression of the app, and just to click the I agree button, and here to give you a phone number. Just tap next. After that you will get a verification code, and that you will have to put it here. So let's wait for the code. So I have got the code and I put in the code. And this is the first impression, as you can see it here. So here just I've got a button which is video call, and here I will find the setting options. So let me show you. Here you have to select the vibrate while ringing and knock knock. What is it? That if you want to see the video calling face of the other one, then you can see it from here. And if you off it, then it will off for you also. So I have to register the phone number and all that. So now I have to tap the video call button to call it. So I have to select a number, and as I have registered another number of myself, so I'm calling it that one. Mute the call so that you cannot get the other sounds. So here I am showing the other mobile by rotating the camera. So I rotate the camera, and you can see on the down part here. Yes, you can see that here I have rotated on the other camera. So this is the impression of how the video calling is so nice. Now I am having the 60 kbps of speed in my Wi-Fi router, and with that speed I am running the both the mobile. As you can see, this that mobile and this one myself. So I have just rotated the cameras so that you can see myself, and this is the other side. That's why it is showing like this. So from this only you can just guess that how you can get a nice video call with just a small network, as I have shown that it is just taking the 6 kbps and 10 kbps, maximum 10 kbps per time. And you can see the quality is also very nice. You will not get be disappointed by this. So here I am ending the call. So you will get a survey, and you just put it, and I will of course say it good. If very good and the excellent option would be there, then I would also select that one also. So that's very good, and this is how you can get the video call, and it's really very nice. And here in the down part you will see the recent call option. This is the one you have called. Like I called this myself, so it is just showing that one only. So now just invite your friends to this app and just call them. And really believe it, it is so nice and so simple. You can never get in the other video calling app. Now you can see how fluently it is running with just a 60 kbps of my download speed, and the two mobiles are running on the same Wi-Fi network. So just you can imagine only. So nothing more to say about this, as we've only got to guess how worth is this app. So now it's going to shake the world. This is Google Duo, and of course we all trust Google. It's nothing more to shock than us. Another app is going to be launched by the Google, that is Google Allo. It has not been launched till now, and it is going to be launched. Let me show you a little part of that review. What is it? It is a messenger. So this is a Google Allo, as you can see, and you have got the pre-register button. You can pre-register for this app. Then you can say got it. Okay, so I have registered for it, and it's written that coming soon. And this also going to be the first, and this also going to be the world-shaking app. So how it is, it have got a Google Assistant. Means you can, if you want to say that you have gone to a place and you want to share with your friend, then you can just select an option will be there. I have not got the app till now, so if whenever get it, I will surely make a video. So you can set the Google Assistant, and smart reply is also there. As you can see that the guy has sent image, and automatically Google has selected the reply. How exciting, how so brave, how fun. So this is something very cool. You will not get this type of feature in other app. Now let's move to the doodling. If you have an image and you can doodle on the images, like here on this image they have written coffee on me. Okay, and others are there that shout and whisper. Now you will not face any problem to show your expression to the other people while chatting also. More feature of this app that it has also got the incognito mode. So what is it? Means you can store your messages which you are sharing with the other one just secretly, and it will be encrypted. That means that only you can access it and no one other. So this is also a very nice feature and it can help in some extent. So now if I come to the rating of this app, then I would rate it 5 out of 5. Blindly I would rate it 5 out of 5. The interface, the speed which we are getting, of the video quality which we are getting under such a low speed is really great. And now other video calling app will give you this type of facility, this type of availability, in this type of feature in their app. And really it is the best. You just try it and you will really find this review to be the best. I have tried all my ways, all my options to make it down, but I have not got a single option to make it down. They have given all what you need. It's just simple and really you will feel awesome. So just try it and invite your family members to this app. So if you feel any queries, then you can comment on the section down below, and if you like this review, then you can put a thumbs up for me and share this review with your friends. And if you want such reviews in future, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. We also upload the tech related videos like unboxing, also tips, tutorials and reviews of the mobiles also, and you can get in on our channel. So here Abhishek Sai signing off. Goodbye.